good cooking. Check out Island Style Kitchen. Ooh, help me sing. Island Style are the real thing. 'Cause this a food can spoil. Island Style still roast or boil. Island Style.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, man, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. If you're a subscriber to my channel, big up yourself. Yeah, man, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Island Style Kitchen. I hope by the end of this video, you are going to be a subscriber to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah, man, so I'm out here in the vineyard this morning and I'm drinking a cup of vervine and turmeric tea. Yeah, man, you know, this tea was sweetened with some lemon. No sugar was added to it. So people, I'll advise you to drink some turmeric tea because turmeric is good for inflammation in the body. Yeah, man, the turmeric something there, the same root something there, turmeric. Turmeric is very good for you people. And also now, the vervine is good for the respiratory system. Yeah, man, so them say the vervine are the future for cure corona. Yes, so people, if you have vervine in your area, drop some vervine and go and make some tea, people. I'm sorry for you if you're not vervine where you are, but I'm going to show you what the vervine plant look like, so you'll see it coming up in the video. Enough for the tea. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my roast breadfruit and salt fish. Yeah, man, real Jamaican style, island style, yardman style. Alright, so just stay tuned and enjoy the video. Yes, people, so right now I'm going to start the fire. So I'm using, in Jamaica we call it some bram. My son actually call it twigs. So we need these to start the fire, yeah? I'm also going to put some coconut husk in it. Make the fire blaze. Yes, people, the coconut husks catch the fire fast. So just put in some coconut husks and some wood chip or some bram as we call it in Jamaica. And I'll put in my coal now. Yeah, man, see the people are real coal in and fake coal. I'll use real coal people. I will roast the breadfruit. Yeah, man, real yardman style. Two breadfruit, two nice breadfruit for roast people. Yeah, man, I eat it, you know. Yes, people, I'm using some lantern fuel to start the fire today. I really don't have the time to wait. So I'm using some lantern fuel because I want this fire to get started real quick. Alright, here we go. Blazing hot. Yes, people, see the fire there? The fire ready for the breadfruit them. Have a nice big fire because breadfruit need a lot of heat to cook. So I'm going to put the breadfruit in the fire, so just stay tuned and watch what I go on. I'm taking out the breadfruit stem out of the breadfruit. Yes, people, I got two nice yellow heart breadfruit from a Haitian shop. Because where I am here in Turks and Caicos, they don't really have no breadfruit tree, so we can't go pick the breadfruit off on a tree like down in Jamaica. Down in Jamaica, you can go pick breadfruit off of the tree or on a back. Actually, I paid $10 US for one of these breadfruit, which calculate to 1,000 something Jamaican for one. A Jamaican man would never buy a breadfruit for that price, but you don't have no choice. Right now, them nice and turn. You know, when the breadfruit turn, it have a nice little sweet taste after you finish cook it. So, right now, I'm just going to put these two little coconut husk here to just give it some more heat. If I was in Jamaica where I have a lot of this, I'll just cover up everything with the coconut husk and just let it roast, just like that. Alright, so I'm going to go inside of the house and I'm going to boil the saltfish. So when you just stay tuned and watch what I go on in an island style kitchen. For those of you who don't know what saltfish or codfish look like, this is the saltfish right here. So this is what it look like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean the scales off of this, wash off some of this salt. Then I'm going to put them in the pot to boil. So people, I'm taking off the scales off the saltfish because they have scales on it. I don't want them in my pot, so I'm just taking the scales off. So it'll make the process easier when I'm going to debone the saltfish. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the sailfish in the water now and allow them to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'm going to give it a second boil. I'm going to be using some simple ingredients to cook the sailfish. So right here I have a Scotch bonnet pepper, I have 1 tomato, a half an onion, a piece of green bell pepper, and a clove of garlic. So I'm just going to wash these and cut them up. Nothing fussy, nothing fancy, people. Just now using a cutting board today. Just quick, really hard man style. Grew up in Jamaica. Most of you know no cutting board. You just cut up the seasoning them, right? That's true, people. I like a lot of tomato in my sailfish, so I'm using a lot of tomato in it. I also like to use a lot of onion. Yes, people, what I like to do when I'm cooking, I like to put the pepper and the garlic first into the pot and let it just infuse into the oil, you know, and that will distribute all of the flavors across everything. So I don't just throw everything into the pot. I always put the garlic and the pepper in first. So that's why you see I'm using a separate container to cut the garlic and the pepper. Yes, people, as you can see, the sailfish is boiling nice. See the sailfish boiling? Yeah man, I'm boiling out the salt out of the sailfish. What I should have done, I was supposed to put the sailfish to soak overnight, then it would make my life way easier, but we have a little bit of time on our hands, so no rush, no fuss. Alright, one more thing, people, very important. Whenever time you're boiling sailfish or salt mackerel or anything with salt, do not cover the pot all the way, because what's going to happen when it starts to boil, the pot is going to put a lot of froth on it and then it's going to boil over in your stove. So in Jamaica, my grandmother always said, you half mask the pot. You do it like this and left a little space. Alright, peeps, so I'm going to turn the breadfruit on the other side. The breadfruit they might burn, you know. I leave them too long on the fire while I was inside, but it's going to be alright still. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow the breadfruit to cook on this side for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take them out of the fire and put them up a little bit higher and let them soak. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I changed the water. So I have some fresh water on the sailfish. So I'm going to give the sailfish a second boil for another 10 minutes. Because after the first boil, I tasted it and it was still salt. And you don't know, when I get up in an age, we don't want too much salt. Because the pressure thing, we know, I go do that something there, you know, so don't know. Yeah man, so we're going to let this boil for another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to show you how I cook the sailfish. Yes, viewers and subscribers, this is the sailfish after the second boil. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to catch some water on it and cool it down because it's hot. And I'm going to debone the sailfish. As you can see here, we have some bones here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out all of these bones out of the sailfish. Yes, peeps, see it? Take out the bone out of the sailfish. Because sailfish bone, there's fish bone very uncomfortable in the throat, so make sure we take out the bone them out of the sailfish. Yes, viewers and subscribers, right now I think the breadfruit them ready. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them out of the fire. I'm going to take them off of the direct fire now. Yeah man, whole heap of fire, people. And I'm going to heist them up a little bit higher and let them steam out. Alright, so I'm going to turn them down like this and allow the breadfruit to steam roast now. Yes, viewers and subscribers, the breadfruit them ready. So I'm going to take off the breadfruit them now, and I'm going to go ahead and peel the breadfruit. All right, so right now, when you test the breadfruit, you know if the breadfruit cook, you can put the knife inside of the breadfruit here, and once the knife come out clean, that means the breadfruit is cooked, all right? So you see the knife come out clean, there's nothing wet on it, so that means it's cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel my breadfruit. All right, so there's a art in peeling breadfruit, you know. Not everybody can peel breadfruit. And this is not for everybody because you burn up your hand. Your hands will get burned if you don't know what you're doing. All right, so the breadfruit is still hot. I don't know if you can see all of that steam coming out of the breadfruit. Oh, all right, people, I had to switch from the napkin to a real towel because it was getting a little bit too hot for my hands. So I'm peeling the breadfruit right now. Breadfruit shrink right down, people, right down and shrink. All right, what you can do, a lot of people, when they take the breadfruit off the fire, they throw water on it. Just in case there's fire on the skin, it don't burn you. So a lot of people throw water on the breadfruit when they take it out of the fire. All right, so we're going to go ahead and peel the second breadfruit now. This one burn, people. Mess up the breadfruit today. And you know, you can go ahead and roast the breadfruit in your oven or on a stove top. You don't have to put it outdoor in the charcoal like I did. But I chose to do it on the charcoal because I like the flavor that the charcoal give the breadfruit. You don't know, anything cook outside on a wood fire or cook on charcoal always tastes better than the gas stove. So that's the reason why I chose to do it outside. People can see the steam coming out of the breadfruit. That means the breadfruit is still hot. It's super hot. So you have to be careful when you're doing this, and you burn your hands. But me as a little country boy, I grew up in the bush of St. Mary. All right, so that's it, people. Simple and easy, but like I said to you before, you don't have to do this outdoor. You can do this inside on a stove top, or you can do it in an oven. I'll probably do another video and show you how to do it in the oven. All right, so there you have it, people. Roast breadfruit. All right, people, so right now you don't know the outdoor cooking again, and I'm going to be cooking outside, yeah? Because you know the charcoal and the smoke and the thing give the food an extra nice flavor. So right now, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare the sailfish. So all my natural spices and herbs are ready. Over here, I have some organic coconut oil, 100% coconut oil. I'm going to use to cook this saltfish or codfish. So alright, so just stay tuned and you'll see what's happening in the island style kitchen. Alright, the first thing on the pot is going to be some coconut oil. I'm going now with some garlic and pepper. Right now I'm going with my onion, my sweet pepper, and my tomatoes. I wish you could smell the aroma of that garlic and the pepper burning in the oil. But I don't want these to cook too much. I'm just going to saute them just a little bit, and then I'm going to add the saltfish because I want the veggies to still be a little bit crunchy. Alright, so I'm going to be adding my saltfish now. Yes, people, and you know, saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. For those of you who are watching this from abroad that don't know about Jamaican culture, Ackee saltfish is Jamaica's national dish. But to be honest with you, right now, rice and peas and fried chicken with some curry goat gravy, I run down Ackee and saltfish for that position because most Jamaican, anytime they go buy food, rice and peas and fried chicken with some curry goat gravy. If you don't like on the curry goat gravy, just say curry goat gravy in the comments. Alright, and people, and this is pretty much done now. You can add some black pepper to this if you want. And whatever other season you want to add to it. But I'm not adding any season because sailfish already have the salt in it, so you don't need to add nothing more to it. If you want, you can throw a little bit of vinegar in it also. So this is done, people. There you have it. Yes, viewers and subscribers, here you have it. Roast breadfruit and sailfish. I'm going to back it up this morning with a cup of beetroot and watermelon juice. Yeah, man. So I just gave you guys a little bit of Jamaican culture and lifestyle. Right now, I'm not even using a fork to eat. I'm just using my hands. People, the roast breadfruit tastes so good. If you guys watching this from abroad and you plan to travel to Jamaica, when you go to Jamaica, make sure you eat some nice roast breadfruit. Yeah, man. People, the breadfruit, is it you know or you don't know this part, but the breadfruit turn, and there's just something about a nice turn yellow heart breadfruit, people, where it's just so yumptious. That's like, boy, you know, I'll share my food, you know. People, definitely go and try it. Yeah, man. Let's get some breadfruit and roast some breadfruit. All organic. Everything natural. Right, peep? Right now? Alright, I'm going to do my Mark Wiens impersonation. Oh, that's just so delicious. Mark Wiens, big up yourself if you're watching this video. Mark Wiens, guys, you can go and watch his channel. He's a traveler. He travels and eat food all over the world. I want to say thank you guys very much for watching this video. And if you like the content of what you're seeing in this video, give the video a thumbs up. Please share the video with your family members and friends. Yeah, man. And leave a comment down below and tell me what you'd like to see me cook on the next video. Yeah, man. Feel free to do it. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, just press subscribe. Yeah. When you press subscribe, you see the little button down here, sir? It's a subscribe. Press the button there. Subscribe. Yeah, man. And you can go and check out the salt mackerel video too. Yeah, the salt mackerel video. You're going to see the thing pop up over here, so, and tell about the salt mackerel video. So click that link and go and watch the salt mackerel video. Or you might soon see the thumbnail pop up on your screen. And you can go watch the salt mackerel video. Yeah, man. So, in the meantime, just stay safe. Peace out. One love. Island Style Kitchen. So, I'm just going to go and eat my breakfast now. So, you have a fantastic day here, people. Much love and respect. And thanks again for watching my video. Yeah, man. There's nothing nicer than being outside in the vineyard. Nice fresh breeze blowing and eating some roast breadfruit and sailfish. Yes, people, I eat, man. Food tastes good. I need a knife and fork, people. So my knife and fork which Jaja give me, it me work with, natural. Dip your knife food here, man.
Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush.
Earlier,
China experience each and every
vaccine.
With
yeah, man, I'm a vaccine, people.
Cooking in the bush.
Yeah.
Yaksta the bush lads. Waklaks come, skalai boom, bututum, bush.
Right? Wish me could have showed you no peeps. No,
but
no lie.
Clicking. Why you feel like chef over there mouth is dripping?
But
because they
don't want some of this food in my area.
Kitchen, cooking in the bush.
You can just contact the Island Style boss.
Waklaks come,
and I'll
skalai boom.
make this dish
Take it away with the gravy.
And deliver it to you.
Pow.
Yeah, man.
This is Renee and I'm representing for Island Style Kitchen. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.